Welcome to our channel. If you need to verify your Valorant account, follow these step-by-step instructions to complete the verification process successfully and gain full access to your account features. Step 1. Open your web browser and navigate to the Valorant website. Log in using the credentials you created when you first registered your account. Step 2. Once logged in, look for your profile icon or account settings, typically located in the top right corner of the page. Click on it and select Account Settings or Profile from the drop-down menu. Step 3. In the Account Settings section, find the Verification or Security tab. This is where you can manage your account verification status and review any pending verification requirements. Step 4. Check what type of verification is required. This may include email verification, phone number verification, identity document upload, or business information submission depending on your account type. Step 5. If email verification is needed, click on the verification link sent to your registered email address. Check your spam folder if you don't see it in your inbox within a few minutes. Step 6. For phone verification, enter your phone number when prompted and wait for a verification code via SMS or call. Enter this code in the designated field to confirm your phone number. Step 7. If identity verification is required, prepare a government-issued ID such as a driver's license or passport. Upload clear photos following the platform's guidelines and wait for review. Step 8. After submitting all required information, you will receive a confirmation notification. Verification processing times vary, so check your email regularly for updates on your verification status. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.